All right, today we're doing what are the odds to jump into this creek out of 10. 1 to 10.
What is your number? Tell me.
Okay.
Ready? Wait, what did you say? Okay.
4.
Ah, you have to jump in. Yo.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
Bro. First time I failed a backflip. All right, so my backflip was really bad, but I still get a redemption chance. And all right, Cameron.
3.
You better jump in.
Alright, let me jump in.